Today, we're diving into everything we know so far about the upcoming Meta Quest 4. While Meta hasn't officially confirmed the headset yet, numerous leaks and rumors suggest that the next-generation mixed reality device is already in the works. With potential upgrades, enhanced features, and even the possibility of multiple models, the Quest 4 is shaping up to be an exciting step forward in VR and AR technology. In this video, we'll discuss the expected release date, price points, rumored specs, and features that could make this one of the most powerful VR headsets yet. So, let's get started. Meta Quest 4 release date. When can we expect it? One of the biggest questions surrounding the Meta Quest 4 is its release date. While some optimists hope for a 2025 launch, industry insiders believe 2026 is a more realistic timeframe. Given that Meta has remained tight-lipped as we approach the end of 2024, the likelihood of an early 2025 release seems slim. Historically, Meta has spaced out its headset launches by a few years, so a 2026 debut aligns with their typical upgrade cycle. Moreover, with ongoing advancements in VR technology and the need for major performance improvements, taking extra time to refine the Quest 4 could result in a more polished and feature-packed device. Pricing predictions. Will the Meta Quest 4 be more expensive? Meta's pricing strategy has always been a balance between affordability and premium features. If Meta follows the same model as the Quest 3, the base version of the Quest 4 could start at around $499.99. However, recent leaks suggest that a second, premium variant may be in the works. This higher-end model could feature enhanced specs, potentially pushing the price range to between $550 and $600. Additionally, with rumors that the Quest Pro 2 has been scrapped, there's speculation that the premium Quest 4 model may integrate some of the Pro-level features. If this happens, we could see a price hike similar to what happened with the Quest Pro. This could include improved lenses, higher refresh rates, better processors, and even an extended battery life. If Meta decides to market this premium variant as a hybrid between the Quest and Pro lines, it could justify an even steeper price. Expected features. What will set the Quest 4 apart? The Meta Quest 4 is expected to build upon the best features of the Quest 3 while introducing new advancements in virtual and mixed reality. Some of the most exciting upgrades could include 1. Enhanced mixed reality pass-through. One of the key selling points of the Quest 4 will be its mixed reality capabilities. Users will likely be able to place virtual objects into their physical space with greater accuracy, creating a more immersive experience. The improved pass-through technology could allow for better depth perception, making interactions between the real and digital worlds more seamless. 2. Advanced haptic feedback and hand tracking. With the Quest 4, we might see an upgrade in haptic feedback technology. This could allow for more tactile interactions in VR, making everything from virtual gaming to productivity applications feel more realistic. Improved hand tracking will also be a game-changer, enabling users to navigate virtual menus without the need for controllers. 3. Better battery life. Battery life has always been a concern for standalone VR headsets. If the rumored premium version of the Quest 4 becomes a reality, it could feature an extended battery life to allow for longer play sessions. Meta might implement new power efficiency technologies or a larger battery to ensure that users can enjoy uninterrupted VR experiences. Spec rumors, a powerhouse in the making. Although official specifications have yet to be revealed, industry analysts and leaks provide some compelling insights into what we can expect from the Quest 4's hardware. 1. Expanded storage options. The Quest 4 is rumored to offer storage configurations starting at 128 GB, with a high-end variant potentially featuring up to 512 GB. This would be a significant improvement, allowing users to store more games, applications, and VR content without constantly worrying about space limitations. 2. Increased RAM and processing power. Performance-wise, the Quest 4 is expected to feature at least 8 GB of RAM for the base model, with the premium version possibly reaching 16 GB. This would provide smoother multitasking, better graphical fidelity, and improved AI capabilities. Additionally, a next-generation Snapdragon chipset, potentially developed specifically for VR, could power the device, ensuring faster processing speeds and more advanced graphical rendering. 3. Higher display resolution and refresh rates. Visual clarity is a crucial factor in VR, and the Quest 4 is rumored to sport higher resolution displays. We could see an upgrade to 2160 by 3840 pixels per eye, ensuring sharper images, less screen door effect, and improved immersion. Some sources even speculate that an OLED panel could replace the LCD technology used in previous models, enhancing color accuracy and contrast. On top of this, an increased refresh rate, potentially up to 120 Hz or higher, would make movements feel even more fluid, reducing motion sickness and enhancing the overall experience. 4. Eye tracking and facial recognition. One of the standout rumors is the potential inclusion of eye tracking technology in the premium Quest 4 model. This feature would enable foveated rendering, a technique that boosts performance by rendering only the area where the user is looking in full resolution while keeping the peripheral areas at a lower resolution. This would significantly improve the efficiency of the headset while maintaining high visual fidelity. Facial tracking, another rumored feature, could allow avatars to mimic real-world expressions more accurately, making social VR interactions more lifelike. The future of VR and Meta's vision. If even half of these rumored features make it to the final product, the Meta Quest 4 could be one of the most revolutionary VR headsets to date. Meta has been at the forefront of VR innovation, and the Quest 4 seems poised to push the boundaries even further. With its potential to deliver enhanced mixed reality, better hardware, and groundbreaking new features, this device could redefine how we experience digital worlds. As we wait for more concrete information from Meta, the anticipation continues to grow. Whether you're a casual VR user or a hardcore enthusiast, the Quest 4 has the potential to be a game-changer in the world of virtual and mixed reality. That wraps up today's deep dive into the Meta Quest 4. What are your thoughts on these rumored upgrades? Are there any specific features you're hoping to see? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.